Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a very easy recipe which I'm using 1 cup of flour, and that's the reason why I call it a 1 cup cake. This is a very simple recipe where you can also get your children involved, or you can double the ingredients up and make 2 single cakes and lay it together with some jam or some icing and make it look beautiful. But today I'm going to show you one cake and I'm going to decorate it with hundreds and thousands. My ingredients are, I've got 1 cup of flour sieved. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 100 gram of margarine, 2 eggs, and to decorate I have hundreds and thousands. Firstly, I already preheated my oven 150 degrees. Here with my 100 gram of margarine, I'm going to add in my sugar and cream this together. Here's my butter and sugar beaten together. Thereafter I'm going to add my eggs. And my half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I'll also beat this together. Now I'm adding my milk, and I'm also going to beat this up. There's the beating is all done. To this wet ingredients, I'm going to add my dry ingredients, which is a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix the baking powder and the flour together. So I put my flour into my wet ingredient and give it a good whisk. Here's my batter. So now I've got a small baking tray, and I greased it very well with margarine. So I'm going to pour the batter into this. You can see the batter is not too runny. Now I'll quickly give it a good shake so I can even the dough. And gently I will sprinkle some hundreds and thousands to make this cake look beautiful. So as you can see, it looked nice and lovely, and now it's ready to be popped into the oven. As I mentioned, you can make more than one of these type of cake and lay it together and have a nice big beautiful cake. Now I'm going to pop this into the oven to bake for 20 to 30 minutes, but I'll be watching. "20 minutes has passed and the cake is fully baked. Now I'm just going to take it off the oven. As you can see how beautiful it's done. I will allow this to cool for about 10 minutes before cutting and serving. Now I'm ready to serve my cake. So I'm going to cut a nice piece. Here you go. It's baked through. Today I'm serving this piece of cake with a nice cup of coffee. It makes a perfect tea time treat. I used to enjoy making this 1 cup flour cake for my children, especially when they used to arrive from school with a nice cup of tea or coffee, and they used to enjoy, and I hope you all enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch y'all with the next recipe.